Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 fatal error unrecoverable fault. Please restart the game with some quick and working methods. This error usually happens due to corrupted files, outdated drivers, or mod conflicts. First, restart your PC to clear temporary system issues. Next, open your game launcher like Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar and verify the integrity of game files to repair any damaged data. After that, update your graphics drivers to the latest version because driver issues are a common cause of this crash. Now, go to your GTA 5 Documents folder and delete the settings.xml file so the game can reset its configuration. Also, disable any mods or third-party tools, as they often trigger fatal errors. Make sure your Windows is fully updated and install latest Visual C++ and DirectX. Finally, run the game as administrator and launch it again, and the error should be completely resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.